Over the last week, we have watched video in class and talk about how magnets work. Today, we are going to learn more about the law of magnet and how we can use magnet in our everyday life. Now, we move on to the first STEM activity, STEM, to find out what object can magnets attract to or not. This is a list of items my student wants to explore with. Now see what she's doing. She picked up the magnet and a piece of item. If they attract, she put it on the magnetic list. If they don't, she put it on a non-magnetic list. This self-check activity is very open-ended. Students can find out what magnet can attract to or not. Also, a magnet has two sides, which is the north and the south side. For example, when the north and south go together, they attract. And we'll put it on the magnet list. When north go together, they don't. They repel. When the south and the south go together, they also repel. So based on that theory, we can use it on our everyday life. For example, you need to read a map for where you're going, or you get lost in the wood, you need to find out where you are. A compass is a great tool for navigation, and we already learned the orientation of direction, which is the north, the south, the west, and the east. And here's a bowl of water with our cell-made compass. It will tell you where you are, and then you can find out how to get out there. All right, today we have a scenario. My student Eric here is going to be a food delivery driver. He has to drop off a special food order from the dining room to the living room, and he has to use the compass and follow these steps. So let's begin. By looking at the compass, what ways are you facing to right now?
East.
Okay, let's follow this step and keep on going. You have to turn north.
North.
You go all the way there and you have to turn west.
West.
And then you'll be passing by the stairs on your south side. So what side is the washroom?
North.
So that means you have to keep going west, and your destination will be on the south.
South.
Thank you, Eric.